Rosemary was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. Known for its beautiful scent, this plant is included in many recipes in kitchen. The most common use of rosemary is in the form of tea. The tea of this resistant plant, which manages to stay green all year long, is good for almost all metabolic problems when consumed in the right amount and time. What are the benefits of rosemary tea consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine it together. You can subscribe to our channel for free without missing the advantages. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of a glass of rosemary tea a day? Rosemary tea is very effective for digestive problems. It stimulates the metabolism in the digestive system and feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This probiotic effect maximizes food absorption and removes harmful bacteria and toxins through digestion. It also reduces inflammation that may occur in the digestive system with the plant compounds it contains. In particular, it inhibits the growth of Helicobacter pylori, which causes stomach problems. On the other hand, when used correctly, rosemary tea helps to reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in the body with the components it contains. It is effective in preventing vascular occlusion by regulating the amount of lipid in the blood with its contributions to the circulatory system. Also, full of antioxidants, rosemary is quite high in balancing blood sugar. A glass of rosemary tea can meet 50% of the daily phosphorus requirement. This ratio is very important for the prevention of diabetes. It contributes to the breakdown of proteins that cause glucose tolerance. This reduces sugar absorption in the large intestine and prevents blood sugar spike. With its contribution to both blood sugar and digestive system, it helps to eliminate edema caused by excess sodium in the body. It is effective in the treatment of problems such as the accumulation of toxin wastes in the blood seen in people with thyroid dysfunction. Rosemary tea for a healthier brain structure. Plant acids obtained from rosemary leaves prevent the deterioration of neurons. It improves cognitive functions by protecting cell structure against neurotoxins and free radicals. In addition, thanks to the compounds it contains, it increases the amount of acetylcholine, which is related to concentration and memory development in the brain. In addition, the B9 vitamins in it are very important for the formation of myelin, the nerve sheath that increases the speed and quality of electrical signals and ensures the proper functioning of the nervous system. On the other hand, rosemary tea is very rich in antioxidants that help boost overall health and prevent damage caused by free radicals. Thanks to its high content of vitamins A and C, magnesium, calcium and potassium, it strengthens the immune system and creates a strong shield against diseases. The carnosol substance in its content is protective against cancer. It also has anti-tumor and antibacterial properties. It searches, finds and neutralizes harmful cancerous cells in the body. So, is there any harm in consuming rosemary tea? How much and when should it be consumed? First of all, because rosemary tea increases blood circulation, high blood pressure patients should be measured and careful when consuming this thing. On the other hand, rosemary, which improves the digestive activities, affects the digestive activities negatively by showing intense processes in the intestines and stomach when used excessively and unconsciously. In addition, rosemary extract is actively used in drug production and can interact with the active ingredients of drug. Consult your doctor before using the rosemary herb, especially if you have regular medication. So how much and when should rosemary tea be consumed? Pepper should be consumed at most 1 glass per day. It should be taken for a week or two after long procedures during regular consumption period. In the light of this information, you can add rosemary tea to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, stay informed.